Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. So today we are going to resolve one of the issue, that is this one. Cannot bind ngModel since it is a known property of the time picker. So how we are going to solve this issue? Let's have a look. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So exactly the issue is we have to import the forms module of the Angular by default. So let's see how we are going to do that. So you have to use this forms module and you need to add it in your import section, this forms module, right? And save this. And if I go and check this one, see the error resolved. So that and if I go and check this one, my local host. So here we go, this one. If I go and check this one, so you can see that it's working fine, the time and date picker. So date and time picker I'm going to check out in the next video. So currently the issue which we are getting in, that is can't bind the model to ngModel, so it is fixed. So you need to, what you need to do is simple one, that is you need to add the form, import the forms module of the by default Angular, and you need to add into the imports, and it will resolve your issue very easily. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a great day.